Hi, welcome to TezBytes, presented by TezTown. How does cryptocurrency work is the question we're going to answer today. First, you need to know about the blockchain. The blockchain is a public record or ledger of all the transactions as they are updated by the people holding cryptocurrency. Blockchains are what crypto run on. Since the record is public, anyone can look at these transactions. Crypto is not tangible, meaning you cannot hold it. Rather, you own the keys that give you the right to move the units of crypto from one person to another without a third party such as a bank. Cryptocurrencies have been around since 2009, starting with Bitcoin, which is probably the most well-known today. But they are still very much considered to be an emerging factor in the financial world. In the future, cryptocurrencies will be used for more and more types of transactions. Cryptocurrencies have already changed the art, music, and gaming worlds forever, and have started to reach out into real estate and other financial assets. It is very likely that cryptocurrencies will be part of most people's daily lives in the very near future. It may be hard to imagine, but already artists in very remote areas are selling their art to people they have never met on the other side of the world, forever changing their financial situations, sometimes using little more than an old model cell phone or tablet. I'm Lily White. Thank you for watching this episode of TezBytes. If you liked our video, please like and follow us, and consider making a donation to TezTown. Thank you. See you around the blockchain.
TezTown.